Hi guys and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I'll be showing you the book art that I did for The Cruel Prince by Holly Black. As you guys know, I adore this series. I actually own this series already. I bought the paperback versions of the trilogy. I also bought the Fairy Loot special editions of the trilogy, and now I've got the original hardbacks which I'm painting on, and I can't wait because Holly Black has just announced that another book in this series about Carden is coming out. Like I'm utterly obsessed with the Folk of the Air series, which means that I couldn't not paint it. So when I got this in the mail, I was so excited, and I opened it up and there was a pattern already on the front cover, which I absolutely adored. I loved this cover, and I decided to take this sort of theme of crowns and thorns and I put that on the back as well. So I used this to inspire the design I put on the back, along with one of my favourite quotes from the series. So I gave it a sprayed edge. As you guys can see, I went with a shimmery sort of pearly white that throws very small rainbows in sunlight or shifting light, and I went with a gold acorn. I'm debating whether or not I want to put oak leaves on it as well. However, I think when I add the Wicked King and the Queen of Nothing to the series, once I decide what I'm going to do there, I'll come back and make adjustments here so that they all line up and they all look really nice and they all work together. So I wanted to leave that option open because I love it when sprayed edges, you know, they connect. Anyway, and here's the back. Again, I wanted to keep the design simple. I wanted it to match with the front. So I put on the quote, "If I can't be better than them, I will become so much worse." We've got the sword and the crown, the thorns, the oak leaves. And I just thought that it sort of tied in really nicely with the overall effect of the book. And yeah, I just really loved this. This again only took one stencil, so it was really quick and easy to do. Very minimal cleanup required, like only the barest amount of cleanup required, as you'll see in the time lapse. But yeah, that's all from the Wittering beforehand. Jump into the time lapse. I hope you enjoyed that. Here it is again. Bring it up closer so you can see. The gold is shimmery, the white is matte. As always guys, my stencils are available in my Etsy store, so if you fancy trying this for yourself, please make sure to go and check it out. I really enjoyed doing this design. It came out amazing. I am so pleased about that. It only took one stencil, which I was surprised by because I knew at the beginning I wanted to put a quote in there, and I thought that that would mean I need more than one stencil, because originally I was going to have vines interweaving with the quote and all of those sorts of things. However, in the end it wasn't necessary, because I think actually the fact that the white sort of stood out on its own was far more dramatic. And I like the effect of it overall. I think it's quite stunning and quite striking. Anyway, what do you guys think? What books do you think I should paint next? I am not entirely certain what I'm going to do next. The lockdown restrictions here in the UK are supposedly lifting. I don't know what that means. I'm hoping that will give me a little bit more access to some books from charity shops, because otherwise this is going to get really expensive. One of the things I want to try and do is I want to try and turn a paperback book into a hardback book, see if that's possible. I'd like to try restoring some paperbacks, maybe giving some new covers on paperbacks, you know, by painting them and then adding them on. So we'll see if that's possible. But yeah, so lots of different things coming your way. One of the things is definitely coming your way is another Air of Fire video, where I do a slightly more abstract type of design. Another one that's coming is Legendary and Finale, and I've been promising those for ages after the popularity of my Caraval video. They are finally coming, guys, so don't worry. I'm also planning on doing another design on Caraval, because I have another idea, so I want to do it. It's as simple as that. So all of those things to come. I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have all of my designs over on my Instagram. Please go and check that out. If you want to commission me for any of my designs, or you have any ideas that you would like, please just send me a message and I will absolutely try and make that work. Until next time, guys, I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks. Bye!